Hey, my favorite Onshape feature in this release has to be warning on sub-assembly behavior inconsistency. Here's what I mean. Let's focus on this bearing here for just a moment. We've built this BOM before, and I've got a sub-assembly for the bearing. That kind of doesn't make any sense, but it's how the engineer modeled it, and we've all seen that. And when in reality, we know that we're buying that bearing as a line item. So in Onshape, I come over here and I say, well, I'm going to set that assembly behavior to show assembly only. Okay, so that means that in the product structure, kind of stop at that bearing assembly. So I set that on. That's nice. I go to update my BOM in OpenBOM, and OpenBOM now drops through the logic of your assembly and quickly says, hey, you've got the ball bearing assembly set to a purchased assembly, but a BOM exists. So that doesn't really make any sense. So we want to jump over to OpenBOM, delete the 003 BOM, and then continue and go ahead and build the proper BOM for the Onshape product structure. So that is in the February 2025 release of OpenBOM for Onshape, and that is assembly behavior validation. So give it a look.